Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cinematic horror text intro using CapCut. It's super easy and perfect for your Halloween edits. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open your CapCut and then just start a new project and go ahead and import a black background like this. This will make your text pops and give that dark, spooky vibe. Next, just set your video ratio like this. In here, I'm going with a landscape ratio since it's good for cinematic edits, but you can use whatever format that you like. Next, just adjust the durations as you like. For example, I will set it to 7 seconds like this. And then next, just add text. And then just type in whatever you want your horror intro to say. Maybe your channel name or something uh, like a title of your video. Just feel free to type anything. And then for the font, just use the font that giving the horror vibe. For example, I will choose this one. And then just check please. And then just adjust the size and positions of your tag until it feels right in the frame. And then once that's done, let's animate it. Just choose animations and then just search for flicker. Just use this one like this, and then just set the duration to about 1.5 seconds for a realistic flicker effect like this. And then next you can add another text. For example like this. And then next, when you're happy with your text, just tap on export. And then just create new projects. And then just import your video. And then next, let's make it spooky. Just go to effect and then video effects. And then just search for fold cassette. This one. Just tap on it. And then adjust the durations. Like this. It will give that old VHS horror movie look. And then next, add another effect. Search for negative strobe. This one, just tap on it. And then adjust the durations. And then add another effect again. Just search for fog. Just this one, just tap on it. Like this. And then adjust the durations again. This will make everything feels more mysterious and cinematic. And then now for the sound design. This part really sells the horror mood. Just go to audio. And then choose sound FX. And then add one more. Just go to sound effect again and then search for nightmare atmosphere. And then just choose nightmare like this. And then just cut out the audio. Just set it as the video durations like this. And then your video will look like this. And okay, that's it. You just made a dark cinematic horror text intro right inside CapCut. It's super easy and perfect for Halloween edits. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.